Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is payday. So we are going to be going over our bills, how much we made, how many bills we're going to be paying this week. We're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and we're also going to be stuffing our sinking funds. Now, if you are new to my channel, I do a lot of these every other Saturday because I am bi-weekly. And then on the other weeks, we just do some other different financial videos. And also on Tuesdays, we do the money challenge, which is always super exciting. But anyway, so we're going to get right into it because it's probably going to be a little bit a longer video, as always, whenever we are doing our stuffing videos. So this week, which is paycheck number 2, I made $2,089. Side hustle, we are going to get into that. I think I'm almost to $150 and we end it next week. So next Saturday there will be a eBay stuffing, so be on the lookout for that. But our goal is $150, so hopefully we will be making that goal. I think I have 2 more packages I have to pack this week, so hopefully it will be completed. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, $2,089. These are the bills that we are going to be paying as always. So for paycheck number 2, for the house, we put $218. Car was $400. Light was $50. Phone was $50. Insurance was $38. Chase was $94. Capital One is $63. And then student loans, we did $50.11, if y'all can see that. And I'm just going to zoom y'all in just a little bit more. Now we're going to go ahead and total that up. 218 plus 400 plus 50 plus 50 plus 38 plus 94 plus 63 plus 50 equals $963. Oh, $963.11. And we're going to go ahead and write either P or T, which is transfer. P means pay and T means transferred, which a lot of these are paid for. So the only 2 things that was transferred today was $218 for house and then $400 for car payment. And I believe that is it. Let's see. Yep, that is correct. But anyway, so let's go ahead and flip to our cash envelope, which is right here. So food, the budget is $200 a month. So divide that by 2 paychecks is going to be $100. Gas is $140. Fund money is $100. Cushion is $300, which is also my debit card. And then savings, we put $100. So we're going to go ahead and get our black little budget binder that has our cash envelopes. So for groceries, we do have a little bit of money left. So we have $2 left and we are going to be putting $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81. So that is groceries. And then gas is going to be getting $140. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, and 40. And then fund money, we did not do a lot of yard sales last week, but tomorrow we are, but we are going to restuff it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So $14 left over from our fund money, and that is going to be set aside for our money challenges for next week. And then we are going to be doing $100 as well. So 20, 40, 60, 81. And we're going to be putting that into our fund money. And that is it for our cash envelope. So that is going to last me for 2 weeks until we get paid again in September. Now, what's exciting about September is that we get paid 3 times in September, which is exciting because the beginning of October, we're going to be going to Disney. So we need to be saving as much money as possible. So moving on to our sinking funds, which is always exciting. So first off, medical is going to be getting $30. Car maintenance is going to be getting $30. Vacation is getting $100. Dobby will be getting $30. Renewal is getting $33. Christmas is getting $5. Home is getting $5. Special occasion is getting $5. Beauty is getting $5. And then our side hustle, we are getting $74. So we're going to go ahead and add all of that up. So 30 plus 30 plus 100 plus 30 plus 33 plus 5, 10, 15, 20 plus 74 equals to $317 is how much we are going to be stuffing. Now, I believe I did put some extra money aside, or took some extra money aside, which I'm not sure how I did that. I was watching Big Brother while I was doing this during my breakdown, so that's probably what it was. I wasn't paying attention, but I'll just let you know what the leftover money is, and it's probably just going to go towards money challenges, to be honest. So first off, we are going to be doing, let's go ahead and do our side hustle. Now, our side hustle is down here. And last week we made $74, or the past 2 weeks we made $74. So we are going to do that, 50, and I think we did 60, 70, and then 71, 72, 73, and 74. So 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, and 74. We are going to put that in here, and we're going to count how much money we have so far. Let's see. Okay, so we have 50, 100, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we have $130, and as of right now, we have one more payout. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that we will meet our $150 goal. If not, that is totally fine with me, because it is something. At least it's something. Next up is going to be medical, and medical is going to be getting $30. And that is going right here. So that is 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So that is $118. Now, I did have to get some medications and doctor visits, so that is why it is, well, actually, it's a little bit more. Maybe I didn't buy it. Maybe that was last time. Yeah, I think that was last time, because last sinking funds, I had $112, and then I started out with $88. So I did have a couple of copays and medication that I had to pick up. Car maintenance is going to be getting $30. And let's see. So that is 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 20, 30, and 35. So 1, 2, so 235, which is awesome. Just gonna build that right up. Then when we reach 1,000, or 500, we will put it in a bank and then restart over again, because car maintenance will never be fully funded. All right, vacation is going to be getting $100. So we have $1,000, $500 in the bank, so 1,500 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 900, and then 20, 30, 40, and 50. So we have 50 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, plus 900, plus we have $50 from the $50 dollar challenge. So we have $2,500 is how much we have for vacation, which is super, super exciting. So $2,500. That is so exciting, you guys. Next up is going to be Dobby, and Dobby is going to be getting $30. So 20 and 30. We only have one lonely dollar bill, so we have $31. Renewals is getting $33, and I need to make some change. Let's see. I need some dollar bills. Oh, let's do these dollar bills that I just took out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we need $30. So 10, 20, 25, and 30. And then 33. 1, 2, and 3. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. So we have $80 for renewals, which that is going to complete our renewal for our certification. So I do need to deposit that. Christmas is going to be getting $5. And that is 20, 25, 30, 35, and 36. $36 for that. Next up is going to be special occasion, and special occasion is getting $5 as well. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, and 22. So $22 for special occasion. Now the only special occasion that we have coming up is, did I count that right? 10, 20, 25, I'm so confused. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. So 27. Dobby's birthday is next week. My brother's birthday was this week. Jared's paying for dinner this weekend, so I don't have to pay for anything else. I might use this money to buy like Dobby some toys for his birthday or something like that, some treats. So we'll see. Let's go ahead. Oh wait, dang it. I messed it up again. So special occasion is $27. I messed it up because it was out of order. Dang it. I did that again, guys. Okay. So we're moving on to beauty for right now. So beauty is $5. So 5, 10, 11, 12. I don't have to buy anything right now. So that is just going to build up. And then moving on to home. Home is getting $5. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. So $45. And that is right. And then, see, I have like an extra $3, which is weird. So I'm just going to put this into the money challenge. Now, going back to Christmas, I did forget to mention that I do have $500 in my Ibotta. I usually mention that every single time. So I have $536 towards Christmas. That's why, if somebody asks, that is why I'm only putting like $5 in Christmas envelopes, because I have $500 in Ibotta. So we have 118, 235, 2,500. 31, 80, 5, 36, 45, 27, and 12 will equals 2, which I'm not going to include side hustle because side hustle is going to be used up next week. So we have $3,584 in sinking funds, which is so great. You know what I can do with like $3,500 right now? If I don't need any of these sinking funds, I could pay off a credit card. I think I could pay off 2 credit cards actually. Isn't it wild? That is crazy, especially if we wasn't doing a vacation. I could definitely pay off 1 credit card and start off, not credit card, but 1 student loan, and then start on another one. That's how crazy it is. But I have no discipline, you guys. I want to live my life and I want to vacation. I want to see the world. So that's what I'm going to do. And if that means saving a lot of money for vacation, then that's what I'm going to do. And I hope you guys will understand that. But anyway, so that is it, you guys. So we did our sinking funds, we did our cash envelopes, and then we figured out what we needed to pay for this week. So catch me on Tuesday for another money challenge. That is going to be fun because we're doing the Disney challenge and the 100 envelope challenges, which is going to be super fun. And then catch me next week because we're going to be stuffing the sinking funds once again because of our eBay payout, our paycheck for the month of August. Anyways, I love you guys and I'll see you guys later. Bye.